Good thing
window's open.
Good thing the dogs are outside. Oh, look at the pretty birdie Mikey found. Wait, stay still. Is that the bird that's chirping? Whoa.
Uh-huh.
I can't even get it. Mike, don't do that, Mikey. That's not nice.
Ooh, look at the bird.
Oh, look how pretty it is.
I guess it's gonna have to be in our
That
house.
doesn't happen in Florida.
I think.
No, it did happen in Florida, but it was a nasty old like raven or black crow or. Aw, so pretty it is. Tweet, 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 tweet. Daddy, whistle. Is that you, Mikey? Whoa, whoa. Is that the bird?
Yeah.
Aw, can we keep it? I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. You can't keep a wild bird.
It likes our house.
No, it doesn't. It's trying to get out of our house.
Get ready for food.
Alright, get it, Dad. Go ahead, Daddy.
I'm not catching it on camera.
Alright, turn it off.
Yeah, sure.
Come on! Get it. It's like out of breath. It's thirsty. It's tired. Aww. Stay still.
Looks like it had clips.
Oh, go out the window, Mikey. Open the front door.
Open it. It's already gone.
Mikey, it's over here. He said it's already gone. Okay, focus. Oh, it sounds so pretty.
Is it on camera? Turn it off.
Alright, turn it off.
Daddy's trying to catch it.
Aw, look how cute it is. I'm not videotaping you, I'm videotaping the bird. I like it when it sings. Mike! I know there's food in here. Oh man. Did you eat some food, bird? There's a poop on us. Mike, what is that doing?
It's gonna wrap around.
Aw, look how cute it is. Alright, here, I put the gate up.
So now the dog's gonna jump on him when he's.
A real birdie.
Let's eat them for dessert.
No. I haven't had dessert.
Exactly.
I don't want to eat this poor little bird.
Alright, let's let them go. Let's go out back.
Go, come here, Mike. She's getting tired now. You see him?
Yeah, he's on the bowl.
He's on the
Towards
bowl.
the back of the bowl. You're not going to get him.
Did he go out?
Chewy, leave it.
Looks like it's in the picture.
Don't hurt it. I have it on video. This thing, you're right there. Go. Whee! Is it?
Pretty birdie.
Pretty birdie. Pretty
Still
birdie.
on the fan?
Pretty birdie.
He's getting mad, Dad. Look at him. He's all puffed up.
He's like, what's wrong with this guy? This is gonna be the worst video. Kids. It's gonna end with one of the dogs eating it. It's gonna get away. Don't smush it. It's gonna come out and attack Dad. What is it doing? What is it doing?
Yeah.
Mikey.
Dad!
Mikey, stop that. Dad's trying to be careful.
It's still gonna get away.
Oh, looks like you're holding a baby.
Dad, let me throw it up again.
Oh, you're holding a little baby?
I hope I can throw it out.
You gonna close the door this time?
No, I'm gonna keep it. No, keep it open.
You can't throw him up. He's holding on to the. Don't pull him. You're gonna break his neck. Yeah, he'll just fly away himself. Here, hold the towel. There he goes.
Away you go.